everyone, hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here, so make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Hello YouTube, hello money friends. Welcome back to another episode here on Dunk's Money with me, Dunk. So it's been a very, very miserable wet day here today, so I've spent a lot of the time today just reading up. It's really important that you always read up and just keep your knowledge in tune, and your knowledge of stocks and shares and trading and investment strategies. So that's what I do when it's horrible weather and I can't do anything else. I tend to read a lot, which is great because you must always invest in you. It's also very important. I've listed some books below actually that I use quite often, just some sort of reference books that I find really interesting and really helpful. Anyway, today will bring us on to our topic of Easyjet. Now I have myself personally purchased some shares in Easyjet, and I'll explain to you why today. Sorry guys, tell you another problem with this lockdown is I've become addicted to flipping chocolate brownies. I absolutely love them. Sorry, you'll have to excuse me there. Anyway, so back to the topic of today, Easyjet. So Easyjet, we all know, planes, flights, very well known company based in the UK. They're based in Luton in the UK. Now Easyjet, they first listed on the London Stock Exchange back in 2000, and at that time you could buy an Easyjet share for £3.43 a share back in 2000. And their total market capitalisation in 2000 was £864 million. Now guys, for those of you watching this who don't know what that means, market capitalisation is when you take today's share price and you times it by the number of shares. So in 2000, £864 million. So if you divide that by the £3.43, that'll tell you how many shares there were, but we'll not go into that just now. As I've said, they're based in Luton, in the United Kingdom, and they've currently got just over 14,000 employees. So a fairly big company, Easyjet, and their ticker is EZJ. For those of you who want to have a look at them yourself, Easyjet, I've used them myself personally. I've always enjoyed the service. They're a very well known brand, and from memory, I think also with Easyjet, I think they're going into other sort of things in terms of holiday bookings. I saw something online which was quite cool. So anyway, so I purchased shares in Easyjet on the 21st of May 2020, and the main reason for me that I bought into Easyjet, I suppose, was the fact that during this current coronavirus dip they have dropped dramatically, and I try and exploit these sort of recessions and buy when I try to buy when I think that I'm always buying stock on sale. If you imagine walking into a supermarket and things are on sale or reduced, that's the way I kind of look at it with the shares that I'm buying at the moment. It's almost like I'm walking in and buying them, hopefully at a kind of good bargain sort of sale price. So I bought them 21st of May. And just some key numbers and ratios for you guys, because we do love our ratios as traders. Very important to us. When I bought them, their market capitalisation was £2.19 billion. So 2000, it was 864 million, and then today 2.19 billion. So you can see there it's really grown massively. Their price to earnings ratio is nice and low, 6.32. I like to make sure the PE ratio is nice and low, and price to earnings is remember guys, price to earnings ratio is the current stock price in terms of their earnings, and I'll give you a nice kind of clear indication as to where the price of the stock is valued. You want to make sure that you're not being ripped off, if you know what I mean. Their earnings per share, 87 pence. Not the best, but hey, at least it's positive, I suppose. And their dividend yield currently 7.98%, and dividend per share 44 pence. So all round not too bad. I was kind of half expecting maybe a dividend cut actually with the current situation. Obviously Ford, they cut their dividends, so you could expect that a lot of the other large companies will follow suit just to help them get through this current recession period. So some more key figures, guys, from their revenue statement. Remember to always do all your checks when you're buying shares, guys. It's so important. You wouldn't just buy a house, would you, off on the whim? So make sure that you do your checks. Revenue statement for Easyjet. Since 2017 to 2019, their total revenue, so revenue, guys, is turnover, total sales, has been increasing every year from 2017 to 2019. Their net profit, they've made a net profit each year, and it's remained relatively the same. So that's good, guys. I'm quite happy with that. Their assets have also been increasing every year. As you can imagine, that they're investing in planes, very expensive. So their assets have been going up, but so has their liabilities. However, they've got more assets than they have liabilities, which is great. That's what you're looking for. You want to make sure that the company is healthy. And just to give you an idea, so currently their assets are worth £8.16 billion and their total liabilities £5.18 billion. So there's a wee bit of wiggle room there, which is good, bringing the debt to asset ratio of about 63%. So of all their assets, 63% liabilities. So there's a wee bit of wiggle room there. It's better than some of the companies we looked at, guys, some of the previous videos, so which is good. So on the 21st of May 2020, I was looking at the charts for Easyjet over the last kind of wee while in terms of the share price. And what I can tell you is that in February 2020, this year, the stock price was at £15. So February, just a couple of months ago, they were at £15 a share. And you can see it. Look for yourselves, guys, on the chart. You'll see it. It's just as soon as lockdown starts, boom. It's honestly like a cliff edge. The price just plummeted. So plummeted, meaning that the 21st of May 2020, I managed to purchase shares in Easyjet at £5.63 a share. So we're almost close to their initial public offering price of £3.43 in 2000. So I've purchased 11 shares in Easyjet at £5.63 a share, coming to a total of £60. Isn't a lot of money, really, but I'm quite happy with that. And what we'll do now, we'll jump into the app, the Trading212 app, and you can watch me in real time purchasing these shares and looking at the charts. Let's go in. Hello everyone, welcome back into the Trading212 app here today, 21st of May 2020, with me, Dunk, from Dunk's Money. So today I'm planning on buying some shares in Easyjet. Now I don't know if you're aware, but today Easyjet announced that they're going to be resuming flights from June. So I'm going to buy some shares in Easyjet. I have got some shares in American Airlines, so why not buy some British ones as well? As always, guys, I always do the analysis with you. We'll go through that. But have a look just at today. So the peak of today was about £5.80 a share, and currently we're at £5.64. If you look over the last 3 months, you can see a massive drop there from February. I'm noticing with a lot of these companies actually that February is like the cliff edge, but it seems to drop, obviously due to the coronavirus lockdown. So I'm quite happy to buy into Easyjet. I've got about £130, I think, just sitting in the app. So let's see what I can get. Right, I can take maybe about £60 worth. So that'll give me 11 shares. So £62. Okay, let's go for it. No commission. Woohoo! So that should confirm pretty quick as the stock market is open. The London Stock Exchange, as always, guys, lists them in pennies. There we are, done. £5.63. So it'll be interesting to keep that, and we'll see what happens with Easyjet stock. What do you think, guys? Am I being daft or am I being clever? Welcome back to the real world. So as you saw there, guys, I bought 11 shares in Easyjet at £5.63 a share, and in February they were at £15, so almost a third of the price. So I'm quite delighted with that. I'm quite happy. Remember, guys, I'm always in it for the long term. I don't tend to speculate, although I have done, as you'll see in my previous videos, I have speculated. But I'll hold on to them long term. Let's see what happens. A bit of good news I saw was that Easyjet have announced they're planning on resuming flights as of middle of June. So we'll see what that does to the stock price. However, today I was checking the stock price and I was down 12 pence. But I won't lose any sleep over that. So we'll see what news comes out for Easyjet, and I'm hoping I've made the right decision here. But if you own Easyjet shares, or if you're thinking the same, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are and what you think of what I've done here. Do you think it's the right thing to do? I hope so. And as always, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could hit the like button, just so I know that I'm bringing you the right content. And I really hope that what I'm bringing you is what you're looking for here. And like with all my investments, I always do an update periodically as to how they're going, and I think that's a great way that you can see what's happening. So if you're someone that's new to trading, you can watch what I'm doing and see maybe in a few months, oh look, that's what's happening to the stock price. I think that's really interesting, well, for me personally. And remember to hit subscribe, and that way you'll get all my videos as they come out. And as always, stay safe with the lockdown and enjoy trading. Everyone, welcome back into the Trading212 app today, 23rd of May 2020, with me, Dunk. So I thought, let's have a quick look at the portfolio and the Easyjet shares, and we'll see where they're sitting at today. So a quick look. Okay, so I'm down 97 pence on my investment there. That's today, 23rd of May. So just a quick update. They're down by 97 pence. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money, and so should you.